Hello, everybody. So it is Sunday night. I think it's actually about 9:30 at night, so I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this tonight. You might be seeing this Monday morning. I don't know yet. I was going to make a video, and then I got caught up watching stuff on YouTube, and here we are. So, as you can see, I've got a bunch of this stuff. A bunch of other stuff behind me. So, let's start off with some this, that, and the other thing, shall we? So, I'm not sure if anyone's interested in hair accessories, but I have two headbands. This one is silver tone with rhinestones. This one would just be $2. This one, to me, I guess it's just gold. Sometimes I think it's rose gold, but it is all metal. This is chain, but it's tacked in place. So this one would just be $2 on that. I have this bangle. I don't think it was marked. It's gold tone. It says love on both sides. That would be $2. And what else? This little bracelet, silver and gold tone. It's in really good condition. That would just be $2. This is the bracelet I got at that garage sale the other day. Was that yesterday? I didn't have my glasses on, so I couldn't read it. But it says Avon on it. It's really cute. It's really nice. Like that. That one would be $2. If anyone is interested in the Avon bracelet. Let me see. I have this wooden bangle. I think it's wood. That one would be $2. This bracelet, silver tone. There's no maker's mark. There's no wear on it. That one would be $2. Let's just show a couple more, and then we'll move on to something else. This little bracelet has the breast cancer ribbon, and it has an extender on it, so you can take one off to make it smaller. So the ribbon is it looks kind of like a peachy color, and then there's pink rhinestones in there. That would just be $2. And we'll show one more. This one was marked, and I don't remember what it said. This is what it looks like. Silver tone. Let me see. I think it's Monet. What does it say? Why can't I read it? Napier. I knew it was one of the two. It is Napier. Probably can't see it on here, but it says right here. Silver tone cuff. That would just be $2. All right, let's grab something else. I've got 3 Chico's necklaces. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the whole thing in here. That's what this one looks like. It's silver, gold, and gunmetal chain. Multiple chains that are braided in between these. Here is the hang tag. This one's pretty long. Let me look at it. It's about that time of the night that my voice goes, so if my voice goes bye-bye or in and out, that is pretty normal for me. I don't know if I ever explained, but this is about 18.5 inches wearable. And that would just be $5. This past July, when I got COVID for the first time, the only time I've ever gotten it, I have not been the same since. My voice or anything else. So that's that. So this one is also Chico's. Silver tone and some gold tone beads as well. It's 3-strand, 3 different lengths. It's got a ginormous extender on it. Like it's, okay, so you have this and it hooks here, but then you also have this. So I don't know. Where was that hang tag? That's why I wasn't gonna come on, because I knew my voice was gonna do this. But anyways, that's what that one looks like. This one is very good condition, and this one would be $5 as well. And then the last Chico's is this one. So it's got mother of pearl, faux pearls here, and then there's a heart here with some rhinestones in it. Just moves like that. And then there's 2 silver tone hearts here. They are engraved on both sides. Here is the hang tag. Sorry. And no, getting a drink of water does not help, so it's just the way it is now. 8.5 inches wearable, and that's with the extender. And this one would be $5 as well on that one. This one does not, this is not Chico's. This one does not have a maker's mark. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different strands. It is a toggle clasp. I believe those are faux pearls. I don't think I ever checked it. I wear this one once in a while. I think it's cool. Yeah, they're faux pearls. Silver tone. So those are the different chains on it. It's definitely a collar necklace or choker-ish. It's not choker on me, but so it's 7 inches wearable, and this one is uber super cool, like this. This one would be $8 on that one. I'm just gonna leave them all there. Excuse me. Wow. Should we show some of the little purses and what have you that I have? So I have this one. Has a little wristlet on it. It's just black. I haven't cleaned it up or anything or wiped it down. So that's how it opens here. Just open it up. It has multiple card slots in it and a little zip pouch, and then that part snaps open too. Like I said, it probably just needs to be wiped down. Let me grab, I have some baby wipes. Oh yeah, that thing will shine up right. It'll shine up right. Probably has, I mean, the cards are still in it, so I'm not sure that anybody ever used it. Even if they did, it's okay, because it is pretty. Let me just wipe this down a little bit. This was, excuse me, excuse me. All the purses and things that I have, I got from someone in town here. I got a bunch of jewelry and the Avon stuff, and what else did I get? So yeah, I don't know. I don't think you'd be able to get a phone. If you have a smaller phone, maybe. I have the 14 Pro Max or something like that. It wouldn't fit in here, but this would just be $6 if anyone is interested in that. What else do I have? I have this little cutie patootie. They're just acrylic bead mesh. It's brand new. Still has the paper in it. Silver tone. These are hard to show on here. The inside, there is, you can just carry it by hand, or it does come with a little chain. And then I think there's one pocket there. There's no card slots or anything, but this one would just be $6. I'm gonna do timestamps again, so if there is anything that you're interested in, just give me a timestamp. Let me try to get this one out. I have this bag, and it has a chain strap to it. It is removable, and it does also have the little wrist strap. Open it up, and there's a big pocket there, a big zip here inside where you have your slips and your zip, and then there's the tag there, and then this is what the back looks like. There's a little bit of a cut there. I'm not sure how that happened, or because I got it from someone else, so who knows where they got it from and where they got it from and where they got it from. I'm not sure. But other than that, there's a little string hanging there, but other than that, it's really nice. If anyone is interested in this one, I would just do $8 on that one. This little brown one, little crossbody, there's a little mark right there. Oh, came right off. I'll wipe them down and everything before I would send them out if anybody's interested. Yeah, spot came right off. So the little pull is missing off of here. It does have an adjustable strap, so you can do shoulder or crossbody, but two little zippered pockets in front, one in back, and there's no little pull, or on here, but I mean, and then the inside is kind of I was gonna say plaid, but it's not. There's no maker's mark on it, it just says made in China. There's a zip pocket and then some card slots here. Other than that, the little pull's missing. It's not bad. It's got a little bit of wear right here. Not a bad little bag. I would just do $4 on that one. And then, let's see. I showed this the other day. This little Avon little perfume bottle. See, it's got the Avon tag on the bottom. Really cute. I wiped them down, but I mean, they could be, I didn't want to like to, you know, get the residue out of the perfume. That's, you can see kind of inside there. Because I didn't want this to come off, but most of them are stamped in the glass too, like right there. They say Avon. So if anyone is interested in this little guy, it is glass. This would just be $4 for that little cutie. Let's see. I also have this little Avon perfume bottle. It's a little doggy. It also has a little Avon tag on the bottom. It's also marked right there in the glass. I don't know if you saw that. This light is kind of messing with. Let me try to. Well, either makes it so you can't see it at all, or it's either too bright or too dark. Anyways, his head spins off, obviously, because it's a perfume bottle. So the body is glass, but the head is plastic. That's what it looks like. Like I said, there's still, you know, a little bit of residue on them. But they are all vintage Avon perfume bottles. And he would be $6 for him. And then, well, there's more than that, but this one is also Avon. See, it says it there on the glass too. But it's got the little tag. And then the top has a little dove. So I don't know if you can refill these with something. I didn't want to mess with it and try to take the top off, but you can see, you know, the perfume in the bottom. So this one would be $4 if anyone's interested in that one. And then, should we show one more? There's this one. Has the two doves. It's probably, I don't know if they did it as like wedding gifts or, I'm not sure. That's the bottom. I don't know if it's in the glass as well. I don't see it. But anyways, the top just screws off. And this is glass and this is plastic. If you turn it all the way, it ends up sideways, so that's why it kind of moves. But this one is cute too. If anyone's interested in that one would be $6 on that. So let me put them back. So if you're interested in any of them, just let me know. Put them back up on this little shelf so I don't have 5 million things sitting here. I did find more beads. If anyone is interested, let me see if I can find. So this whole bag, these are all glass, or what do you call the ones that are, let me move this light a little bit. I don't know why my light is so terrible right now. Let me pour them out. Oh, good. Now my light is really bad. Here we go. So that's what those all look like. I know there's a lot of people that still make jewelry. These are all glass, but there's some like this. There's this one. Is it focused? That one. This really pretty one. This one is my favorite one. I wish there was a bunch of these. Isn't that one cool? So yeah, there's just a bunch of beads. They're all glass. And I would do this bag. There's this one. This one's kind of cool. At first I was like, is that a chicken? A little chick? I don't know what it is. This one doesn't go in here. That goes to something else. So I took time today and separated all of these into different groups. So if anyone is interested in this beautiful pile of beads, I don't know how many are here. I didn't count them. This bag would be $10 for these. I'm not gonna try to put them back in there right now. I'll just scoot them over to the side. I had to chop my nails off today. They were yuck. It's okay. What else do I want to show? Where's that fancy schmancy necklace? Okay, so this is what I have. So there's a bracelet and a matching necklace. And those are British Columbian Ocean Pictures something. I'm not sure. But that's what they look like. Let me grab. So if someone is interested in this set and Tiger's Eye, and then probably clear quartz. That's what the beads look like. This is the necklace. So that's the necklace, and then the bracelet just has the one bead. Well, it's not just one bead, but. So if anyone is interested in this necklace and earring set, this one, if no one's interested on here, this one will definitely go on eBay. This set would be 70 on this set. Okay, and let's see what else. I do have a couple of wrap bracelets. This is actually on all of the bags that I've bought on Goodwill and wherever else I've got them. It's the first time I've gotten wrap bracelets. So you guys all know what they are. That's what this one looks like. Make sure we're focused. It goes from that to that. This one's really nice. So if anyone is interested in this wrap bracelet, these are both going to be 10. I have 2 of them, so they're 10 each. That one, and then what did I just do with the other one? Oh, it's still in the box. And then there's this one. I believe these are metal beads because this is really heavy. They're either metal or glass. I'm not sure, but this is really heavy. It's black cording and black beads. And this one would be 10 as well. I'm not sure why there's only one bead. I don't know the point of it having 2 beads. I'm not sure. I mean, I can put another one on here if you want, but it's still like, you know, when you make these cordings, you have to burn it, so it seals the end. So maybe it just got pulled off, I'm not sure, but there is still one on here. And you could just tie this one down. If anybody's interested and you want me to put another bead on it, let me know. I can do that, because I believe I do have some black beads. So those are 10 each on the wraps. And then I have this bag of beads. I think I showed these blue ones yesterday. And then there's loose. So I also have yellow. It is a necklace, just on a string though, with a barrel clasp. But if someone wanted to reuse this stuff and make something else, so I showed these, or one of them, last night, and these are all glass. There's 2 strands. See, it's on that same, no, this is like fishing line, so you would want to probably restring it onto something else. And then there is, I'll just grab some of them. This size bead as well. And there are black ones that are a little bit smaller. I used to know these all by size, but I don't know what they are anymore. Well, this one black one, actually, let me see something. Nope, that's bigger. I'll probably leave this one out. If someone wants me to put it on that wrap, I'll leave that one right there. So in this little baggie, there's also, like I just showed these, and then there's also these black ones. So if anyone is interested in this little bead lot here, for this one, these would be $8 for these, because these are all glass. I'll push those up aside and I'll put them away after the video. This is a necklace. I'm not sure if it's just glass or if it's some kind of stone, but there are, and it's the necklace is intact. But see the round beads that have the really pretty clear bead in the middle. So I don't know if I can zoom this out enough. There we go. Focus. So this is the top. It is a lobster claw clasp, and I believe, yeah, the lobster claw clasp is sterling. So see, this one's broken. This one's half missing. This one has a little piece hanging on it. This one is here, but it's broken in half. And then right here, there's one missing altogether. But as you can hear, and they're black. So these here, I'm not sure what these chips are. It's knotted in between everything. What is that? I don't know what it is. But anyways, but the square beads, like that. So maybe somebody can tell me what these are. Probably Miss Beth. So I didn't know what to do with this. And then there are this shape beads, so I'm just selling it as beads because some of them are broken. So if someone wanted to redo this, like I said, this clasp is sterling. Smoky quartz, is that what those are? Sometimes words just come to me, sometimes they completely escape me, and guess what? Life still goes on. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So if anyone is interested in, I'm just gonna call these just beads. Why aren't you focused? Try to get some light on this. Okay, now the lighting's really weird. Let's zoom back out. Let's see what happens. I'll just leave them in this whole necklace in a bag. If you are interested in it, let me know. And this would just be $8 on this, even though you can't really see it, because sometimes I feel like the white is good, and then I'm like, well, black works, but then I put black down and it does this same like kind of a thing on there. I don't know. I already showed those. I have a bag of what I'm just calling stones. So there is tiger's eye. There's these two big pieces. And then some that look like this. They are all beads. They have holes in them. And then there's a couple of these. Not sure what that is. I'm sure these are, well, these in particular, let me grab them, are, well, maybe not this one. Dyed howlite. But this one, I'm not sure. But anyways, that's what that one looks like. It could also be, I'm not sure. And then there's these four that have head pins looped through them. But that's what those look like. What is going on with the light? Let me get my thingy. Let's do this. Can you see them any better? No one? Anyone? Anywho, that's what those look like. But see this one too? I almost just flung it onto the floor. See how it has like, maybe they're still like that even if it's howlite. I'm not sure. But these little, I get a couple of these in my hand, and then these. That's what those look like. Oh my goodness me, hold on. That's what those look like, and then I'll just leave it up. There are some of these. What is the purple one? I'm not sure how many are there. There isn't that many of that one. But these will all come in one little baggie. What are these? They're purple, so whatever that purple stone is. I think I had a stretchy last night, and I probably said the wrong name, but you guys know way more about this than I do. I just give you a price, and if it's something you like, I will sell it to you. Every time I get really good beads like this, I wish I still had all my stuff to make stuff, but I sold it. We'll save the rest of those for later. I have some. Good Lord. Do I have cufflinks? That's what these look like. Let's try this again. There's no maker's mark. They're just silver tone, but that is glass on those. And if anyone is interested in those cufflinks, excuse me, I would just do $5 on those. And I think that is it. I do have a sterling and turquoise ring that I haven't showed yet. Right here. Let me get my ring size. 8 is a size 7, I know that. Yes, it is a size 7. That's what that one looks like. Actually, let's try something else. Let's do this. If anyone is interested in this one, it is sterling and turquoise, size 7. If anyone is interested in that one, see, the problem is I can't hold this and tap my phone to get it to focus. Oh Lord. This one would be 40 if anyone is interested in that one. Okay, you just let me know and I will send it to you. Okay. Oh, my back is killing me. Before I forget, because I always forget to show these, I've had these chains since the day I started buying lots. So it is a ton of silver tone and gold tone chains. I don't even know how many are here. Now, a lot of the silver ones say 925 on the tag, and I have tested them and they are not. But these are all brand new. So here's the gold ones. Some of them are different sizes. So the gold ones are 7 3/4. They're all lobster claw, I believe. Even the silver ones. Lobster claw. So I'm just gonna sell all of them together. If anyone's interested, or if you just want one or two, let me know. Let me get these out. Like I said, I've tested at least these. And they didn't, but that was a long time ago. So there's also this style. That's just the extender. I don't know what this is called. This style chain. I've heard it before, but I don't remember. So there are 4 of that same length in the gold one. And what did I say that was? I already forgot. Like 7.5-ish, 7 3/4. And then this one with this one is the only one that has an extender. With the extender, this one is 9 1/4. So there's one of that one. And then these silver ones is what there is a ton of. Let me see how many there are. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There's 12 of these box chains. They're all different lengths, as you can see. So you would get all of these chains. I was keeping them in case I, needed a chain for something, but I haven't used them and I've had them for several months. So if anyone's interested in this whole box of chains, I would do the whole box for $20, and you get the box. So let me know if you need those, or if you just need one or two. We can work with that. What else can I show quick? I have this other wrap. Looks like this. It's kind of stone glued to it. Not sure. Hold on, let me try to click and hold. That's what that looks like. I don't know that this is real suede or not. To me, it kind of feels like it. It doesn't smell like suede though, but I mean, if someone wore it, I'm not sure that it still would, but it is a wrap bracelet. There's three different buttons on it to click it, to wear it. And this would just be $3 if you're interested in that. So there's like clear stones and white on it. And then this is what the band looks like. So yeah. So if anyone's interested in that, just let me know. I'm debating whether I want to grab my phone off the tripod and run out and show you quick what I put on my bike today. Ugh. Let me move my chair. I don't have a chair that has wheels on it, so, well, I showed you in my home tour, whatever you want to call that, I showed you guys this room. So if I have to get up, I have to so that's what the chair looks like. It doesn't move very easily, so let's go see. The only thing is, hopefully my phone, the camera doesn't flip on me. If it does, much apologies. Let's not do that. And it's dark in here. This rug is filthy, but it's saving the carpet, so it's okay. It's really dark in here. Let me show you what I did quick. My husband will probably see me on the camera. He's at work, but he'll see me on the camera out in the garage, hypothetically talking to myself, and wonder if I've lost my mind. I just put a light in this thing so you can see. So here's my bike. How cool is it? Trying to aim the light so it's not weird. So here's my bike. I put all these on the shield. All of my stickers. And then I'll have to go on this side. This is my husband's new one. What's the ZX10? Can you see it on the back rim where it says white ZXR? Hold on. Can't see it. So there's both of them. I put up all these banners up here. Oh, there's one over there. Right there. Cool, huh? So this is it. And my reservoir sock. So So that's it. So, let me turn this light off. My husband's probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. It's okay. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's my house. Anyways, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Did I ever show you guys? Where are you? That's Harvey. He's a cutie. Say hi, Harvey. So anyways, back to the jewelry thing with my flip-flops on. But yeah, this is my filming room-ish. All of those bins down there are full of dollar bags. All of it. So if you guys want to see more of it, let me know. And then I have this stuff here. Cool. I've got all those bracelets. And then we got stuff here. More bags there, more bags there. There's a box of bags down there. Help me. Anyways, but if there's anything you're interested in, just send me an email at herwings.patti.23@gmail.com. You have a date of the video, timestamp, and brief description, and I will get back to you. Okay, bye friends.